later on, we learned we're not fighting for Inday. We're not. Mga kababayan, we're not fighting for Inday Sara. We are fighting for the future generations of Filipinos. We are fighting for our families. We are fighting for the Filipinos, the Filipino people, for this country. This is not fighting for the Dutertes, Inday Sara. No, nagkataon lang Vice President siya. Nagkataon lang siya ang Vice President. And she has the mandate. Pero what we're doing, it comes from the heart. Hindi kinakailangan ng approval ng isang Vice President, ng approval ng kusino man na, yan i-recognize mo kami, lumalaba kami. No, hindi kailangan nun because we are doing this for free. We're doing this out of passion, out of our conviction that we want a better country. And before we go, and mag-tops tayo, na sa kabaong na tayo, sa puntod na tayo, before we go, we want to see a better country. That is what we are fighting for. Not for Inday Sara. Not for the Dutertes. Not for any politician. We are doing this, isaksak nyo sa utak nyo. Lahat ng naniniwala sa akin, isaksak nyo sa utak nyo. We are doing this not for any person but for our families, for the future generation, for this country. That's why lalong titibay yung inyong paninindigan, yung inyong conviction, yung inyong confidence sa sarili, yung disiplina ninyo, because you're doing it for God, country, and people. Not for a person, not for Inday Sara. Kaya sabi ko nga, mas maganda yan, di na ako magpag-usap. Wag na, di na kailangan. Di na. Kasi ganun din siya. She's going to fight for God, country, and people. Sabi ko nga, I will trust her. She's doing the same thing. Fighting for God, country, and people. Wala nang usap-usap. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa kalsada.